Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for 15th March 2021. So this analysis is for 15th March only. You'll be seeing me again tomorrow with the analysis for Tuesday 16th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and also check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that the last traded price of GBP USD is 1.3910, and market was in uptrend. Okay, market was a beautiful uptrend. It was making higher highs. You can see that it was making higher highs after the market started falling. Okay, so right now we are not sure whether market is about to go up or market is about to go down, because right now market is in a range. Okay, you can see that I have drawn two lines on the chart. Okay. And this line is very important for the market, okay, because this is the support 1.3792. Okay, this is the support for the market as of now, and this is the resistance. Okay, resistance is at 1.4017. So these two levels are very important for the market right now. Right now market is 1.3910. Okay, right now market is in middle. Okay, so we do not need to take any trade if we find the price around this range. Okay. Because if we take out trade here also, it will not match the risk to reward ratio. Suppose you buy here, your stop loss will be here and your target will be here. So your risk is bigger than the your risk is bigger than the profit. Okay, so it is against the discipline. Okay, and discipline is very important. So in that case, we just need to look for these two levels only. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy is simple: wait for the market either to go up or go down. In case market goes up, okay, in case market goes up and hits this particular range, okay, 1.4017 to 1.4000, okay, if market hits this particular price range, just observe how the price is doing. If you see that price is struggling, the bulls are struggling to take the market upside, then there is a chance that market may reverse from there. And in case you see that market is struggling, and if you see some price rejection from above, price rejection from above, a shooting star kind of a pattern, like this, I mean a candlestick like this, or a big red candle like this here, then you can short the market. In case market crosses this level comfortably, then also wait for 1 or 2 hours and just observe how the price is doing. Okay, if you see that price is trading comfortably above the resistance, price is nicely trading, easily trading above the resistance, this 1.4017, then the resistance has become the support, and you can go ahead and buy, go ahead for a buy order above this line. Okay, so if market goes up and reverses from here, sell. In case market crosses this level and trades comfortably for 1 or 2 hours, and the resistance becomes the support, then easily you can go for a buy order here above this line. On the other hand, if market comes down, and hits this particular price level, just observe how price is doing. In case you see that market is taking support at this level again, that means that this support is still valid. Okay, I'm talking about this price level 1.3792. This support is still valid. If you see that market is getting some price rejection from below, okay, and if it shows some good green candle like this also, that means that market may bounce from here. And if you see that yes, market is about to bounce back, then you can go ahead and buy. On the other hand, if market crosses this level with huge volume, okay, volume is required because when market was in downtrend, this is the level that provided the required support. That's so in case market crosses this level or breaks this level, just wait for the volume. Okay, just see that if market is being supported by volume, then you can short the market here. But before shorting the market, wait for 1 or 2 hours. Okay, let the support become the resistance. Okay, then only short the market here. And if you find the price trading in between this range, okay, in the middle, then you do not need to take any risk. Just wait for the market to go to either this level or this level, because then only your risk to reward ratio will match, and it will be according to the discipline. Okay, and as I always say, discipline is very important for a trader to stay afloat on the market and to make money consistently from the market. Okay, so never compromise with the discipline. So this is the simple analysis for GBP USD for 15th March Monday. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please do subscribe and check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow with the analysis for uh, Tuesday. Thank you so much. Bye bye.